redoing my background. I know what you're gonna say. You're gonna say to me, Lily, you're moving into an apartment in August. This is going to be a waste of time and a waste of materials to hang everything up just to take it down again when you move. You have valid points, but you underestimate my need for a fun, funky, fresh background for my videos. So no, we will not have this mundane, boring backdrop that we currently have. We will be spicing it up. So sit back, relax, and enjoy me decorating. And here is all of our decorations. I wanted my display to be very dynamic and interesting to look at, so I've got quite the array of things. I've got lots of pictures. Some of these are art prints and pictures I printed, and I'm gonna put those into a collage. I've got these garlands from before in my old setup, if you remember them from other videos, if you've seen those. We've got Christmas lights that I think I'm gonna hang up around the edge of everything. And then I also have IKEA LED strip lights over there. I don't know if I'll end up using them or not because I don't know if I'll be able to hang them correctly or get them to plug in from where they would have to be on the wall. And then we also have the pegboard, which was quite a journey to make because, well, pegboards need to have gappage behind them. And normally you would just drill 2x4s into a wall, but I wanted to use this in my apartment once I move, and I won't be able to drill into a wall. So my dad was very kind, and he managed to make these little corner pieces that you could use command strips on, so that way it was nice and lightweight. And they're like thick enough that there's a gap behind there so you can put hooks in and stuff, which is perfect. Plus, it gives this nice little aesthetic that it looks like an old picture in like a photo album, you know, like where they put the little corners and you tuck them in. And so I think it looks really cute. So yeah, we've got quite the array, and now I'm going to show you how I'm going to arrange it. So this is the general layout of everything, the pegboard being off to the side more and then this collage being next to it. We'll have to see if this will all fit on the wall up here because I don't know if we'll have enough space, but otherwise this is the general idea that we're going for with all the pictures. Maybe we'll end up cutting some due to space, but otherwise most of these should be going up on the wall. So yeah, let's start putting them up. Before we can start decorating, we must undecorate, starting with this sticker. Now that the sticker's gone, we get to do the hard part, which is making sure that the pegboard is straight. Yay! Let's hang this baby. Okay, it's not perfect. I did not get those alignments right somehow. I don't know how. I measured multiple times. But it is on the wall. Alright, we'll see if that stays. I have doubts that it will, but it's stuck for now. I'll have to, I think in the future, I think I'll have to redo the top two here, but for now, it is on there. We will see what happens. On to the collage. human. She eats tape. Why? I don't know why. She's weird. I gotta hide the tape now. Ta-da! I'm sorry for the fan. It's too hot to not have it on. But look, it's done! I'm so happy. I ended up not including 3 pieces just because they didn't quite A, fit on the wall, B, it just didn't work out how I was setting it up. So I'm probably gonna put like 2 of these pieces, like set them on the pegboard. I'm gonna work on the pegboard tomorrow, so I will see you guys then. It's currently 12:30 and that's because it's so hot. I had to wait till later at the evening and this took forever and a day to hang. So I will see you guys tomorrow. And we're back. It's the next day and I painted some of these pegs for the pegboard. So I've got a variety of colors. I've got orange, yellow, bluey, green, and then pink. So we have all these colors are kind of in this collage over here, so it kind of draws them out. So I think that'll look nice. And currently I don't have a lot to put on the pegboard, so it's kind of empty. We've just got like a birthday card, a Clance print, which are ones that didn't make it into the collage because of space, and then a little Yarny doll from the game Unravel. So yeah, it's pretty empty. I'm gonna buy some like pegboard shelves to put on there so it'll look nice and cute. But yeah, otherwise, it's pretty much done. The pegboard is, but now we get to go and hang some Christmas lights. So let's go do that, shall we? Alright, we're done with the wall. We have our collage up, our pegboard, and the Christmas lights. It's looking very cozy and aesthetic, and I think this will bring a very new dynamic to the backdrop for videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please leave a comment, like, and subscribe, and maybe consider hitting that bell notification because I'm planning to post videos every single week. So yeah, until next time, my name's been Lily, and this has been my niche. Bye! Too hot.